Yeah, it's just right. Too easy, bro. Matic. Give it a bit of a bump. Atras mo konti, bro. Yeah. Back up a bit. Okay. Yay! Hard line, bro. Straight. I'm recording you, bro. Slow. Straight ahead. Yeah. Right a bit. Right hand down a bit. Okay, straight. Straighten up. Alright. Slow. Stop. No, you gotta crawl it a little bit. Back a bit. Okay. And then just do like a crawl. Slow. Yeah. Keep going. You need a bit of a bump. Are you in 4-wheel drive? 4 low? Pinrest mo ganun? That's the lowest? Yeah, you should be able to do it. Slowly. Wait. Okay. Stop. Dito ka lang, bro, baka tumama yung drag lift mo. Yeah.